let's turn these kids movie posters into a horror starting with pause. Let's import the original poster. I got a screenshot of Samuel L. Jackson doing the O pose. I'm gonna cut his hand using the pen tool and also take a piece, this hand, so I can place it over that hand and blend it in. So I can place it here as if he's grabbing the sword and color match it to match the rope's cut. Then make the hand a little light. After that, I'm going to paint over the original arm to make it connect with the fake arm I just made and blend it to the fake arm I just made. Wonderful. Now let's do the same thing to the other side of the arm, starting by duplicating the arm I created and flip it to hold the other end of the sword. Paint over the original arm and we have a new pose. Now he is pulling the sword to cut the little dog's mouth. So let's change his expression to show that he's using his almighty force to cut the little chihuahua mouth. Let's paint the teeth. Then I'm going to give teeth some shape. Paint shadows around the mouth and little highlights on the edge. Now kinda not looking bad, so let's do change it on the chihuahua. I add clear to the chihuahua's mouth and the drum sound coming from crack, and I'm going to add a little highlight to the drum sound. After that, I'm going to add the camera raw filter to give it a horror tone. And here is Pause of Fury horror version. Hype the video or else your teacher will cut your mouth. Next poster is DC League of Super Pets. Let's erase the original poster and place the screenshot from the movie scene where the dog is deliciously staring at the popcorn, not knowing he is the one that's going to stare. I enhanced the photo using AI and this is what it gave me. I mean, how is this even possible? Look at this. Open oven with another glass inside the oven. The glass is showing the dog behind staring inside. But how is it? I'm just gonna increase the size so the buttons doesn't show just like this. And I'm gonna erase the edges to make it more believable. Then I'll grab a paper texture, select the red part, maybe the white part too, and I'm going to place it on the side like this. And I'm gonna make it a little dark. Give it or two. Reveal the white as now the dog needs to get inside the microwave, not stay at it. So I got an image of Superman. I'm gonna select him with the selection tool, Kalma, place him right here. So let me see that one. Then I must the bottom part out. I will then fix the ears by over there with the corresponding background color. Now we can put the dog inside over and flip him upside down. That increases. Now what's left is to play the logo here and then cut our soup and then add microwave. DC League of Microwave Pets. I'm gonna place the plates down. Then I'm gonna finish it using the camera roll filter. And here is DC League of Super Pets horror version.